Wayne Gretzky is widely regarded as the greatest hockey player of all time, and his legacy has left an indelible mark on the sport. From breaking records to dominating the NHL, Gretzky achieved feats that seemed almost impossible. One of the most iconic moments in his career occurred in 1994 when he surpassed Gordie Howe's goal-scoring record, cementing his place in hockey history. To mark this milestone, Gretzky's team surprised him with a stunning gift, a 1994 Rolls-Royce Corniche IV. Fast forward to 2023, and the car that once belonged to the Great One is now up for auction, giving fans and collectors the rare chance to own a piece of hockey history. This Corniche IV is one of only 219 ever made, and it's got some serious history behind it. The vehicle comes with under 10,000 miles on the odometer, making it an incredibly well-preserved gem. It's not every day that you come across a car that has such a significant connection to one of the most celebrated athletes in history. The car was gifted to Gretzky shortly after he broke the NHL's all-time goal-scoring record, surpassing Gordie Howe's previous tally of 801 goals. In a ceremony at a game against the Mighty Ducks, Gretzky was presented with the Rolls-Royce Corniche IV, a car that perfectly matched his legendary status. A week later, Gretzky made light of the situation, joking with the owner of the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin, by saying, "When I set the record, they bought me a Rolls-Royce, so you got your work cut out for you." Fast forward to today, and Ovechkin, who recently surpassed Gretzky's career goal total with 895 goals, might just want to pick up this very Rolls-Royce as a fitting tribute to the legend who came before him. The Corniche IV is powered by a 6.75-liter V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic gearbox, delivering a smooth and refined driving experience that complements its elegant looks. The car was built in November of 1993 and features a host of luxury details, including a tinted windscreen, chrome door mirrors, and a striking black paint job adorned with vermilion pinstripes. Inside, the cabin exudes opulence with black leather upholstery, burled walnut, and black Wilton carpets throughout, offering a timeless and sophisticated interior that's as luxurious as the man it was gifted to. At the time Gretzky received the Rolls-Royce, it became a symbol of his incredible achievement, one that marked a new chapter in his already storied career. However, it's unclear how long Gretzky owned the car, as it was sold off sometime later. In 2016, the car was bought by a new owner in Indian Wells, California, who kept it until 2023. That year, the car made its way to Massachusetts, and in 2024, it underwent a $17,000 restoration at the O'Gara Coach Company of Beverly Hills, ensuring that the car maintained its pristine condition. Now, the Rolls-Royce Corniche IV is up for auction at RM Sotheby's, where it's estimated to fetch over $500,000. While there is no reserve price, this rare and luxurious vehicle could sell for much less, or perhaps much more, depending on the interest from buyers. Regardless of the final price, the car's historical significance and its connection to Wayne Gretzky's legacy make it a highly coveted item for any collector or hockey fan. This auction also offers a fitting full-circle moment, as the car that once symbolized Gretzky's achievement could now serve as a tribute to Alex Ovechkin, who has surpassed Gretzky's goal record and established his own place in the annals of NHL history. Whether the car stays with a private collector or ends up in the hands of a true fan of the game, one thing is for certain: this Rolls-Royce Corniche IV is more than just a car. It's a testament to the greatness of one of the greatest players the NHL has ever seen.